Sir, may I have a word with you?
Angela.
Yes, sir.
Is everything alright? Don't worry. Go ahead. Your family.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, you know I lost my mother and her burial is next week. I want to go home.
First of all, I sympathize with you with the death of your mom. I know how painful it can be. I felt the same way when I lost my wife. But don't worry, if you need help, don't hesitate to let me know. We'll support you financially.
Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate it.
It's alright.
But sir, I might not be coming back again.
It's alright. Do what you have to do. Take good care of your loved ones, your siblings, and other things you have to do. Don't worry. Whenever you're ready to come back, our door will be wide open for you. We are family, like I said. Right? We'll support you.
Thank you so much, sir.
It's alright.
Thank you so much, sir, for everything. I really appreciate it.
It's okay, you're family.
Thank you.
Take it easy on yourself.
Yes, sir. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. It was just...
Just what?
Nothing.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yes, I'm perfect. Something just...
Okay.
Yeah. Oluchi, I've been meaning to tell you. I feel like I should go back to work. You know, just...
What do you mean? You've been doing well here with me, haven't you?
Yes, I have, but I feel like I should resume my job as a corporate maid. I mean, I've been here, yes. I've also been a burden.
Mercy. You are not a burden to me. I want to help you.
I know. Still, I need to pick up and start all over.
Well, if that's what you need to do, then I'll support you.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm about going outside. I'll see if I can help you get a job.
Thank you.
Please be fine. Promise me you'll be fine, okay? I'll see you later.
I can't do this. I need to pick up the pieces and start. I need to face whatever it is haunting me head on. I can face this head on. I have to.
Angela, I miss you so much.
I know.
Yes. Please come back soon.
I will miss you guys so much.
Don't forget us.
I won't.
I love you, Auntie Angela.
I love you too, my baby. So, take good care of Daddy, okay? And be a good girl. Take care of yourselves, alright? I love you.
It's alright. Angela, thank you so much. We are going to miss you, as you can see. My kids are already missing you, right? So we pray God be with you over there.
Amen.
Don't forget, whatever you need, call us. We'll support you financially and otherwise.
Thank you so much,
Whenever
sir.
you're ready to come back, our doors open.
Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Alright, yes. Bye.
Bye.
Don't cry, okay?
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Alright girls, let's go inside. Don't worry.
Yeah, Mr. Kachiko, good afternoon. No, I'm not in the office. I'm about stepping out. Hope all is well. Oh, you need another maid to take care of your kids. Yeah. I have a particular one on my desk. She's experienced and have good references. No, not to worry. When we see tomorrow, I'll take you through her profiles. Sure, not to worry. I'll put a call across. All right, take care.
Look, Kamsi, did you see? I just got to 100.
Oh, wow. Get to 500 and I'll be impressed.
Duh.
Hey.
I'm getting it. Hey, Dad.
What are you playing?
She's trying to break my record, which I know she wants.
Dad, I will. Come on, Kamsi.
Sure.
Dad, I just got to 100.
Okay.
Yay.
So she won.
No, I'm winning. I got to 500.
Duh.
So now who's winning?
It's alright. That's good. So, guess what?
What?
Guess.
You're taking us out.
I'm getting on the iPad.
You bought me a car.
You want me a house?
No, far from it. Relax. Take a chill pill, right? Okay. I got a new maid for you.
Oh.
Maid?
Okay.
So, henceforth, you no longer walk your ass out in this house.
Oh, thank
You'll be
God.
relieved. Don't worry. You like her?
Sure. So about the house, I was thinking a duplex with 2-story buildings, a kitchen, a bathroom,
Mercy. Guess what? Guess now. Okay, my friend who works at a caregiver house.
I got a job.
Oh my God, you did. He just secured you a job as a maid.
Are kids involved?
My dear, I know how much you love kids. So this is the perfect job for you. Really? You'll be working with a widower and his 2 lovely daughters.
Thank you. Thank you, Oluchi.
You're welcome. I'm so happy for you. Have you eaten?
I'm not hungry.
I'm coming.
Not hungry.
I need to make something for you. We need to celebrate. I mean, come on.
I'm ready. I can. Find pictures.
Mercy, please take good care of my children. They are my priority. Please, I beg you. I'll soon be back. My goodies. Daddy will soon be back, okay?
Okay, Daddy.
Alright. Osas! Yeah, bye. On the gates.
Shall we? I know. You asked already. Movie night, yes. And drinks. Nobody seems to be getting it.
Yeah.
Okay. No, that was more.
Oh.
I've been meaning to ask. If you had the power to bring somebody back alive, just one person, who would it be?
Mommy, of course.
Yeah, Mommy.
You miss her? And you still remember her? How did she die?
She died in an accident.
Yeah, that's it, in a car accident.
Oh. I'm so sorry. Jesus. I brought back old memories, right?
Jesus.
I'm sorry. I hate to kill your vibe. Let's play.
Jesus, how can I help her?
Oh, let's play. Go 6. Oh, that's sad. 6. Oh, double.
Inspector, I am telling you from experience.
What experience? Have you killed someone before? Or did you see him killing his wife?
Inspector, I wasn't there, but I know he always hit her. Sometimes he hide her in the bedroom, beat her to stupor till she passes out. It has happened times without numbers.
Did she ever report to the police or anyone related to her about this?
Officer, that I can't tell because I caught ties from them before their wedding. I tried as much as possible to stop them, but it didn't work.
He seems to know too much about this guy.
The guy in question here is my first cousin. I have known him for long. He's a slow poison. He is sweet outside, but dangerous inside. He's a beast. I was living with him when he was dating, I think, 2 girls. I knew about the relationship and everything. How we beat them up to stupor, to the point that they fell into coma. And also, I'm sure the reason why the wife is still haunting the house is because she was killed there and he's the one.
Just so you know, our conversation is recorded. If I need any other information, I will let you know.
Okay, officer. And also, I would like you to review the CCTV. I'm sure we'll get a clue from there.
Very well then. Thanks for the information, like you said.
Alright, thank you very much, officer, for your audience.
Okay.
Hey, do you want to put yourself into trouble? That man is rich and can lock you up for false accusations.
Tina, can you just listen to me?
I don't want to listen to you. If Ola's ghost can't go and tell her people who killed her, why should you be the person to carry it on your head?
That's ridiculous.
It's very ridiculous. Because I don't know why you are carrying this matter on your head. Is she in any way related to you?
How do you mean? What are you talking about?
You know what I'm talking about.
The first maid told me about the creepy thing she was seeing in the house. So that's why I'm concerned.
Creepy things. Like?
She told me she once saw Ola ghost in the house.
And so? Are you in the right place to go and be looking for Ola's ghost for her? I don't understand. Or am I the one not understanding the writing on the wall?
Tina, what are you talking about? How do you mean? I don't understand. What are you insinuating?
Are you seeing the maid?
You must be joking, right? Why will you say such a thing?
I'm asking you, are you seeing their maid?
You're unbelievable.
Kay, where are you? I'm not done talking. Kay, come back here.
Hello, good day. Sorry, are you looking for someone?
Yes, I am looking for Ibrahim, the witch doctor.
Okay. Do you have a ghost following you?
Yes, my wife. She has refused to rest in peace.
Okay. Do you often see her?
Yes, just in my dreams. But everybody in my house sees her, including my new maid.
Okay. You know what? Wait for me, I'm coming.
Alright, I'll be waiting.
Are you looking for someone? I'm asking you.
Excuse you?
Are you looking for someone?
You asked me to wait.
Me? When? Why?
I don't understand. You asked me to wait for you. I've been waiting here for over an hour.
Doing what exactly?
My wife's spirit refused to rest in peace, and you asked me to wait for you so you can call Ibrahim.
If your wife's spirit is going after you or chasing you, you should kill the spirit too. Kill her.
What?
Yes.
Are you okay?
What do you mean, am I okay? Yeah, that's what you should do. Excuse me, I'm doing something, please. And you should leave.
Just in my dreams. Oh, wait. Even my workers, everybody in my house sees her, including my new housemaid. I really need to do something about this, but this is going... It was an accident now! It was an accident! An accident, please! I did not...
Are you looking for something?
Yes, my phone. I can't remember where I left it.
This one?
Oh, yes. Yes. Thank you so much.
Well, I think you should be careful next time.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
What's actually after you?
No, nothing. I think I was just hallucinating or something. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You are needed at the station for questioning.
Good day, officer. Let me understand something. Am I being arrested?
I never said so, or do you have any reason not to go with me?
No, officer, but I'm a little bit confused because I gave you a clue on how to get the murderers.
So tell me, who's the murderer?
Officer, what's going on here, please? I don't understand, please.
Shall we? If you do not want to go with me gently, I can get my boys involved. I bet you won't like the outcome.
Officer, it hasn't gotten to that extent, please. I believe we can contact the maid. She will have a tangible...
I hate it when people want to teach me my job. Mr. K,
Officer.
Move it.
Officer, take it easy, okay? We can sort this out.
I do not have all the time. Please, can we just go on pace?
It's fine.
After you, please.
Okay, officer.
Mercy.
Ready for school?
Yes.
Okay, take care of yourselves.
Okay.
I'll see you when you get back.
Bye.
Take care of yourselves.
Bye.
Bye.
Akachu, do you know why I invited you?
Auntie, at least offer me something special as usual now.
Because this is an unusual call.
What is the problem?
Akachuku, I heard that your wife's spirit has refused to rest in peace.
Who told you that? Who told you that?
Wazico Kawashi.
No. I just want to know where this source is coming from. I mean, this information about my wife. Who said that?
Akachuku, is it true or false? Because I don't want her family members to take this matter to the deity.
I thought I told you how my wife died.
Well, I can't remember. If you tell me now, I will remember.
Auntie, why are you trying to do this now? No, what is this? No, why are you doing this? Are you trying to open up a wound that I got healed from since 10 years ago? Auntie, please, let me heal. Let me heal. I am human. I lost my wife in the most tragic way. Let me heal. Allow me heal, please.
Akachuku, what killed your wife? Kanchukwagozo, what killed your wife?
My wife had an accident.
Accident? What type of accident?
Is this why you invited me? No, until you of all people know how my wife died. I told you how it all happened. Even if people are talking about it, you can defend me. You can hit your chest and defend me and tell them how my wife died.
I can't defend what I don't know. At least you explain to me, can my Febu your wife? Yes.
Is this why you invited me? So I left everything I was doing in Abuja just to come here and answer questions from you. You of all people. Hi, Auntie. I am highly disappointed. I am disappointed that you cannot even defend your own brother. No, now. This is why you called me. I am out of this place. I am disappointed in you.
You can't walk out of me. Akachuku! Now I'm calling you now. You don't want to explain why your wife died. Most certainly.
Where is he?
Yes, this.
Left. To where?
Ha! I'm not to come to where? Abuja now. He has gone to Abuja.
How? What do you mean gone back to Abuja? Why should Akachuku leave to Abuja without telling me? Did you not tell him what is going on?
I told him. Akachuku said I should stop opening an old wound.
But you should have told him that I needed to see him. These people are not taking this lightly again. You should have told him.
Biko. They should go and fight him now. They think he's guilty. Biko to happen, Maka Biko.
Omo, why? Is that what you think?
What a fool that gets someone Who are you two urchins? What are you doing here?
Our kinsmen demand your presence in our village shrine.
Your kinsmen demand my presence in your shrine? See, hey, if the both of you don't leave my way right now, I will go into my car, bring out my gun and shoot you.
We are all as people. Our people want you to fool us so you can tell us what happened to our sister.
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up! How dare you accuse me of killing my own wife? How dare you?
You think you can kill us the same way you killed our sister?
And it seems that you prefer war than this. So you shall get. Let's go.
All this happened here. Yes. Those boys are light bearers of their deity. It was their elders that sent them. They are taking this matter seriously.
Okay, Dave, what do we do? How do I get out of this place?
Do you have money with you, dear? Just give me money. Give me money.
Money? How much?
Any amount. Just
How much? One? Are you sure?
Hey! Go and start the fire.
The money disappeared.
It's alright. Go and start the fire. Let's see.
Hey! Hey! If they are inviting me to the shrine to swear, I am sorry. I will never do that. Never! Memia.
But if you are not guilty, you have to swear. You have to make that bold statement. We know you are not guilty, but you have to convince others.
Ade, what you do not understand is that they are just trying to make a case out of my wife's death. That's what they are good at. If they have a case against me, they should take it to the police and not invite me to the shrine. It's as simple as ABC.
That is why you have to swear. I will be there with you. They cannot do anything. They won't even make you swear the way they want. I will be there.
Hey, Biko, has he told you what killed his wife?
Auntie, I told you my wife died in a motor accident. I told you. Auntie, please, I do not want to be agitated by you. Biko.
Akachuku. If your hand is in it, confide in me. I will know how to handle the matter.
You're a man I respect so much. You knew me when I was a child, up to this point of my life. I can confidently tell you right now that I have never in my life raised my hands on my wife. The man that caused my wife's accident is cooling his head in Kirikiri prison. Justice has been served. And I'm fine with that.
It is alright. The spirit of your wife is very strong. And I think she will need some appeasement.
That is what we should be talking about. If my wife's spirit needs some appeasement, let's give it to her. Can you hear? Not disturbing me about swearing. As far as I'm concerned, justice has been served.
Where are these from?
Now you've seen it, right? So what do you have to say?
Oh my God. Why do I have a feeling that you have a skeleton in your cupboard?
See, listen to me, Tina. Stop searching my house, okay? Stop it! You're not a special agent. I don't like it.
The person pointing accusing fingers is actually stained. That means that man is innocent.
Ask him to sit here and wait for me and come in so we can discuss something important. Oh, what the help was it? Let it not be that this young man is going back to the city without resolving this issue. They do Ozu Abani. A stubborn fly flows the corpse to the grave. But that was
Where is Akachuku?
There, Amakwamo. I don't know.
Kenkeolema. Did he not sleep in this house last night?
He slept. But I woke up this morning, I could not find him. Mami Bojo.
I woke up this morning, I didn't find him. What is this supposed to mean? We agreed to meet our last people today. Where has he gone to?
But there you have his phone number now. But when he on a phone, call him on phone.
I think you are correct. He's not picking his line. Could it be that he has gone back to Abuja?
There. God in heaven. I have tried concerning this issue. I have tried. I want to make him. Okay, I don't know what is wrong with children of these days. If you ask somebody something, they won't tell you the truth.
No, this is getting out of hand. It's really getting out of hand.
So, is that why he ran away?
No, he didn't run. He said he had a business meeting. He needed to attend to that. And moreover, he wasn't prepared for all this.
He wasn't prepared?
That's what he said.
MD, it would be nice I would tell ourselves the truth. Can I go for one Izioku? If Akachuku killed his wife, let him confess now. Kunoku. So we know how to help him.
Why would he kill his wife? I don't believe he killed his wife. I don't believe that at all.
Okay. If you don't believe he killed his wife, why has his wife's spirit refused to rest in peace? Think about it.
The woman died accidentally. Have you not heard such story? Sometimes when somebody dies like that, his or her spirit refuses to rest. As for Lama's people, nobody is bringing them money anymore. They are angry. I also heard that Akachuku refused to give them money and also didn't allow them to come to his house anymore.
Honestly, this matter is just confusing me. But Akachuku on his own side, why has he refused to swear? At least prove his innocency.
You are right. But if they think he's guilty, they should ask her spirit to hurt him. Akachuku told me that he hadn't seen Olama's ghost before. If it is him that killed Olama, her spirit should haunt him.
Ikego. Hey, you're making a point.
That's what I'm saying.
You're right. But I'm thinking, is it not time you and I should go and ask questions? Kaika Jue say. What do you think?
I only think that we should warn Akachuku. Ask him to be careful. I see hatred. I see hatred. And it is lurking. That's all I think.
Hey! So...
Frank, my friend. You know, in the world of business, I'm a genius.
I know.
You know, right now we have a very big opportunity to make millions of profits.
I see. I see. I know that, but we need to be very, very careful so that we will not overextend ourselves. You know that.
Frank, you have no problem. You are covered. As far as I'm concerned, why do they call me a genius in the first place?
Are you sure?
I am very sure. Well, let's have a toast. Future business. More profits, right?
Akachuku. Are you okay? What happened?
Huh? I'm fine. I think it's the drink. I got choked.
Why did you check as if you have seen a ghost?
Ghost? No. This drink is very hot, so I had a choke.
Dad is home.
How are you?
Hi. How was work?
Work was good. Where is Mercy?
She's in the kitchen.
She's in the kitchen.
Kitchen.
Daddy, she's preparing your favorite dinner.
Oh, that is nice. All right, let me quickly go upstairs and shower, then come back so we can have our meal. You enjoyed me, right?
Yes, Daddy.
Good. I'll be right back.
Mercy! Mercy, get in here! What happened to my room?
I just cleaned it before I left.
Does this look like a cleaned room? Look at my pictures. My fridge.
No, sir, no,
my clothes.
I hung the clothes.
My goodness. My bag on the floor.
No, sir, I folded this. No.
What is going on with you? Are you sure you're fine?
I'm perfectly okay, sir.
No. At least with this, I can confirm that you are going nuts.
No, sir.
You need to see a doctor. You are sick. You need to get treated. What is this? Are you okay? Are you taking cracks? Are you?
No, sir. No, sir.
Before I come back, make sure you tidy this room. 10 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Dr. Tony, Akashko, my friend. I came here in respect of my maid, Mercy. You know her, right?
Yeah, what about her?
See, I don't know. This girl has been behaving so strange of late. She claims she has been hearing voices, destroying my properties. And right now, I'm even in fear for my children. They are in danger. And I remember she said she's seeing ghosts.
You mean ghosts?
Yes, ghosts.
Have you called her out to ask her some questions? You know, these days people are going through a lot. Maybe psychological problem, family issue, even relationship.
I know, doctor. I have done that. But she keeps denying.
This is just serious. I think what you have to do is you have to come with her. Let me examine her by myself. You know, you are the boss. She might not tell you things. I will talk to her directly. I know where the problem is coming from.
Please, I will do just that, okay? Whatever she tells you, please don't hesitate to tell me.
No problem. I'll take care of that.
I should be the first to hear.
Okay.
So what's up? What's going on now? It's been a while. You don't come out on a normal joint again.
You know the work now. You know the work. Well, I'll make her time to come out, okay?
Yes, I will. But I need to leave now.
Okay.
Hey!
What is it? Can't I have peace again? What is it?
What do you mean by what is it? I'm talking to you. Kay!
What is it?
What do you have to say about this?
What?
So she was your girlfriend,
Babe.
Kay, she was your girlfriend.
Babe, just let me explain.
If you knew a lot about this, why haven't you gone to the police to confess? Another man is going through hell. Why the real devil is there roaming around the streets? Claiming sense.
It's not what you think, babe.
It's not what I think.
Babe! Fuck!
In sheep clothing.
Babe, why are you going to me?
I'm leaving you.
Please. Babe, I can explain.
Leave me alone.
Babe, please come back.
Explain what? You can go to the police and explain that to them.
Babe, it's not what you think. It's
Oh
not
my
what you
God.
think, babe.
I've been dealing with a beast. How?
Okay, fine. I will go to the police if that's what you want. I will go and report tomorrow to the police station.
To do what? To bribe them?
No, babe. Babe.
Get lost.
Babe, please, babe. Babe.
Mercy. You have a mental case, and the doctor just confirmed it. So all you need to do is sit, relax, and get treated. So you don't harm yourself or harm anybody in this house.
No, sir, I do not have a mental case, sir. You have to understand.
Understand what? That you're seeing ghosts in my house, hearing strange voices, and you think it is normal. Mercy! You think that is normal? You need to get treated. I do not want you to be a nuisance in this house. I have little children here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But I can assure you, sir, something supernatural is going on here.
Supernatural?
Yes, sir.
What is wrong with you? No, what is really wrong with you? I think the doctor was right. See, may I remind you that the only reason why you are still in this house is because you are good in your job. And also the bond you have with my children, obviously. That's why. But I will not hesitate to sack you if this continues.
Please, sir. Don't fire me, sir. I'll do better. I'll do better, sir. Sir, I think it's necessary that I let you know that the ghost and the baby draped in white, it's your wife.
Enough!
I see how...
Enough.
Yes, sir.
I do not know the kind of game you are playing, but I will not stay here and allow you do this. I will not tolerate this nonsense in this house.
Sorry, sir.
Now get out of my sight before I lose it.
Yes, sir.
Get out! I want to talk about Auntie Mercy. These days, she behaves so strange. I don't know if you guys have really noticed. She's not being herself. I am thinking of letting her go so she will not hurt you people.
No, Dad, please
Dad,
don't.
please.
We like her. She's our
We
friend.
don't want her to go.
I know. I'm just looking out for you girls. Look at it the last time. She almost injured you. Hearing strange voices. I do not understand. I don't want anything to happen to my girls.
Dad. She has never been violent with us. Except for the
Incident that happened with Kamsi.
Alright. Promise me you will be very careful around her.
Promise.
We promise.
I know she might say things that are not true. But believe me, those are hallucinations. I will always be here for you and for you. Remember, I love you so much. Promise me again, please.
Promise, Daddy.
Come.
I don't know what to do. Oluchi, no one believes me. Akachuku thinks I'm running crazy. In fact, he's threatening to fire me if I don't get it all together. Even the doctor does not believe me.
This must be very tough for you.
I'm alone in this. Alone, confused and scared. Oluchi, do you think I should confess? Just say everything I know.
Confess what? Don't try it all. Do you want to get yourself in a lot of trouble?
I'll still be in a lot of trouble if I keep mute. My life might soon be in danger.
Mercy, when we get to that bridge, we will cross it. Alright?
Thank you. Thank you, Oluchi.
It's okay.
It means a lot to me that even one person, you, that you believe me, that means a whole lot to me.
Mercy, you were not alone. Alright? It's okay. It's okay.
Okay. Yes. How do you get this open again? What?
You don't know how to open a bottle.
Yes, I do. I'm just trying to be sure. Just trying to open it the right way.
Is there a wrong way?
Hey, watch your tone. Do the pictures you're gonna do. Hey, I've seen it. Yes, I got it. So it's just that. It's not like it's straw or anything. It's a regular way to get it.
Say cheese.
Smile, please.
Why?
Say cheese.
What is it?
I'm so sorry.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm perfectly fine.
Aunt Mercy, why did you push Kamsi?
No, I didn't.
Are you fine? Are you sure you're fine?
Yes,
You pushed Kamsi?
Yes, I didn't push Kamsi.
You sure you're fine?
Yes,